To get to the training section, from the main menu, go to Other Options, then click Training. You'll be taken to the Search Course screen, where you can click Add New Course to add a new course. From the Add New Course screen, you will now need to enter all the necessary information. It is possible to create a course with only the minimum information required, indicated by an asterisk, but in this example we'll complete every field. First, choose the type of course from the drop-down list. This will filter the available courses for the next field. Next, select the course title from the lookup list. This will be used to populate the qualification in the training section of a CHARMS record. Choose the agency code associated with your course. If you want staff and foster carers to self-enroll on this course, then select Available for self-enrolment. When carers or staff log into CHARMS, they will then be able to add themselves to the waiting list for this course. Enter the start and end dates and times. The end date that you enter will be used to populate the date field in the carer training section of a family record. Select the duration of the course from the drop-down options. Enter the number of sessions. If the course applies to a particular geographical area, please enter the details into the area field. If the training contributes to a particular qualification, please select it from the list. This list will show the qualification, the type, and a brief description. Then select the provider from the lookup list. This will display the company's names and company contacts. Then select the venue. Next, select the facilitator from the lookup list. These lookup lists can be added to by clicking Add New and filling in the information. This will then add these straight to the lookup list for future use. Remember to search for existing providers, facilitators and venues before adding a new one to avoid duplicates. If there are any additional facilitators for this course, they can be added once the course is saved. Enter the unit cost. Enter the total cost. Enter the number of minimum places. Enter the number of maximum places. This field will indicate the number of vacancies that your course has that will be displayed on the course search screen and on the enrolment screen. Enter the ideal number of delegates. If the course that is to be renewed or followed up will have a different title, this can be entered into the renewal title field. Some courses require a renewal period. If this is the case, please select the appropriate number of years from the renewal period drop-down box. This will populate the renewal due field with the calculated date, but this can be overwritten if not appropriate. For example, the calculated renewal date is at the weekend. If delegates are already enrolled onto a course and the course renewal date is amended, once saved, the renewal date will also be updated on the existing enrolments. Enter any relevant notes into the Course Notes field and click Save this page to create the course. When duplicating a course, the fields that will be copied are Type, Course Title, Agency, Provider, Facilitator, Venue, Duration, Sessions, Area, Unit Costs, Minimum Number, Maximum Number, Ideal Number, and Notes. To duplicate a course, click the Duplicate Course button. A confirmation box will appear. Click OK to proceed. The copied fields will then automatically be populated and you'll be able to fill in the rest of the required information. If a course has been added in error or has been offered but cancelled, it can be archived in the Course Details section. First, go to the course you wish to archive. Click the Archive Course button. You will then be asked to add some details about why the course is being archived. Choose the appropriate reason from the lookup list and enter any relevant notes. Any delegates booked on the course will be removed, and this will show as a cancelled course in their training records. If you would like your delegates to be added to the waiting list for another upcoming course of the same qualification, tick the Add to Waiting List box before clicking Archive. Once a course is archived, a warning message will appear at the top of the course main details screen, showing the details of the archiving. This course can no longer be modified. Archived courses will not by default show on the course search screen. To view these, tick the Include Archived box when searching.